How to turn off post sharing on Instagram story. Hi guys, welcome back. Today I'm giving you a tutorial on how to turn off post sharing on Instagram story. So let's get started. Sometimes we post a picture and we post on Instagram, and our friends or followers, they can post that photo on their story, but we want to turn it off. So how to update your privacy and turn off post sharing on any other Instagram story? You have to go to your profile right here. Once you get to your profile, click on these three lines at the top right corner. Click on settings, and then you have to go to privacy. In privacy, you will get a lot of privacy options. What you guys need to do is click on post. So it will open up the post settings for you. So here we have tag, then we have tagged post and likes and views. So here you can actually update your settings, and you can turn off your post sharing. Another way is going to story settings as well, and here you can see we have turn off who can share your replies to their stories and who can share your post, your followers you follow back, or you can turn it off completely. So you're going to just click on turn off, and then no one will be able to share your post. Similarly, these two last options allow sharing to messages. Let your followers share your photos and videos from your story to a message. Share your story to Facebook. So you can turn off these options as well to update your privacy, and this way no one will be able to share your story or your post on any other story or any other of accounts. I hope that I was a big help. Don't forget to give this video a big thumbs up, leave a comment down below, turn on bell notification, and subscribe to YouTube channel.